Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing here, doing another homeowner tip. Now we are replacing a roof out in Grand Prairie here, and we started pulling everything off. We got all the shingles, all the felt off, and what we found was rotted decking. Not the whole place, but there were a few areas that definitely needed to be addressed. Now the only way we were able to spot that was by doing things the right way and pulling everything off in our tear off, not leaving the old felt on there. That's something a lot of contractors do to save on their labor costs, pad their margins a little bit, be able to underbid people, but it is it is not correct practice. It is not best practice. It's not good for your home. So let me show you what rotted decking looks like here. You see these dark spots on this piece of sheathing that we pulled off? That is rot. That is where the water has gotten past the shingles, past the felt, and made its way to the wood. Now, once water makes its way to the wood, it is game over. Water defeats everything, and it's not a situation you want to find your home in. I'll also show you the area that we actually pulled it from. Right up there. Oop, there we go. Right up there, and you can even see that the insulation in there is all gray and matted and nasty. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. So when you are doing a roof replacement, it is imperative that you pull everything off right down to the decking to ensure you have a solid nailable surface that is free of rot. All right, I'm Travis with Blue Nail Roofing. Check out bluenail.com today. We're happy to come check out your home, do a complimentary, no obligation inspection, make sure you're all in one piece. And if there is any damage or need for repair, we're happy to take care of that too. All right, I'll see you in the next video.